Hello friends, I am Brij Kishore Sharma Tara from Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, India. And today in my science series, I present for you a new item. This is my Cosina 35 mm single lens reflex film camera. This camera was manufactured in 1980s in Japan. And as you are already aware of the fact that the Japanese are world leader in the field of cameras, both film cameras and at present digital cameras, and also the world leader both in videography camera and simple cameras. Cosina is one of the best models produced by the Japanese, and it is a very good camera according to me. This camera uses a zoom lens, this one, that means that this camera is adjustable to take any image according to the required distance, and the lens is fitted with the main body with the help of a special system known as bayonet. The same type of bayonet is fixed here in this lens, and those lenses which have this type of bayonet can be fixed with this body. I mean telephoto lenses and more powerful zoom lenses. Mirror and pentaprism, and behind the mirror you can see the shutter. The shutter is metal focal plane, and about this shutter I will tell you when I open the camera body from behind. This lever is used to make the film move forward, and this knob for taking shots, and this is for the speed of shutter. Flash socket, and this is used for moving the film backward when all shots are taken. And it is also used for opening the camera. This is film cartridge chamber, and this for shutter, and this chamber is for serrated wheels through which The film passes, and this drum is fitted with this lever and used for moving the film forward. Look at it in this way. And now I press the button, and the shutter is open to take any view and shot taken. This is metal focal type shutter, as I have already told you, and it moves vertically. You can see the shutter going down when I move this lever, and this is, as you know, viewfinder. When the film rolls were available, I took many good shots with the help of this camera, and it has been one of my favorites along with my Zenith models. And I had forgotten to tell you that here are written the words made in Japan. I am proud of having this camera along with my Zenith models. Thank you for watching. I hope that you must have liked it, though a very little. Thank you once again.